being joined at this point by Dr. Sudhir Gupta, who is the chairman of the medical board of CBI for Sheena Bora case. Thank you very much, Dr. Sudhir Gupta, for joining us at this point. I have a couple of questions. First, what does this mean now for the case? What does this mean for the Sheena Bora case?
First of all, I would like to explain for your viewers and for you also, because forensic practice is a very complicated issue. People doesn't understand the value of the evidences. So in this case, I would like to say you, in 2020, already I have appeared in the trial court for deposition of the evidences and my opinion given from the aims in the court of law. And in the process of examining the opinion, there is a cross-examination also. So two sets of the lawyers, one from Mrs. Indrani Mukherjee and one from Mr. Peter Mukherjee, and they were a prominent lawyer of the Mumbai, have cross-examined me as well as examined by the public prosecutor of the CBI before the trial court and the judges. Hence, the issue of the identification of Sheena Bora as well as the cause of death and various examinations bone has been produced before me by CBI prosecutor, and all were examined before two parties, and the whole statement were recorded before the court. Hence, the issue of now bone are not available there or not available there, that I am not knowing the fact, but it doesn't have very legal issues, because already cross-examination has been done in 2020 by me as a chairman of the medical board, and all the questions related with the Sheena Bora death, that this bones belongs to Sheena Bora or not, what is the age, female, human, non-human, has been came in record before the court. So it doesn't have, as per my best knowledge, have any value of the bones which are even present in the court or misplaced in the court. That is number one opinion. For example, I would like to tell you, when we conduct a post-mortem examination, we don't retain the body, or body is not being retained by the prosecutors. These are being sent for the cremation. Only the things which came in the form of legal evidence is the post-mortem report, photographs and videographs. So these are the evidentiary value of a dead body. Dead body are never being kept anywhere in the world as an evidence. Dead body in a dignified way goes for cremation.
Allow me, since you're making this point,
say that
Dr. Gupta, allow me to ask you a question. You're making an important point, but help me to clarify. Help me to clarify something. Now, if you are saying is what is correct, why did the CBI or why did the prosecutor tell the court and ask for more time, saying that the two packets received by the witness and examined by her, referring to Dr. Zeba, are not readily traced on record? The articles are necessary and important to be shown to the witness. I am not making this statement. This is a statement made by the CBI before the court. So if this is a settled matter, why are they telling the court that this is necessary and important to be shown to the witness?
No, you are right in raising the question, because the case has not come to a conclusion from the judiciary. So any time the things when crop up, it makes a legal value. Before that, I will come on this your question. I would like to explain you about the case, because many people doesn't know about the case. Sometimes comes in media that she is alive. It has not been conclusively proved that the skeleton remains of the Sheena Bora. So I would like to clarify for the people at large, because forensic issues always create a confusion, and things come in between of question mark and dilemma. Here, two sets of bones, two different people were recovered by Mumbai police. Mumbai police has brought all the bones to JJ Hospital. JJ Hospital has constituted a medical board under a very competent doctor, And they were of the opinion that they belongs to two sets of the people. In between, the case has been transferred to CBI. Then CBI came to AIMS and asked for a competent constitution of medical board. Then our team has gone to Mumbai. And in Mumbai, we have discussed with the doctors of JJ hospitals and examined the bones. And then the CBI brought all the bones to AIMS.
Okay.
So the opinion from the JJ hospital, for which you are putting, some doctor from JJ hospital has gone for deposition. So there were certain issues which were not clarified by the JJ hospital doctors. Number one was that what is the age of the skeleton, and whether these two sets of bones are the two people or one people. So we clarified that they have given the age in the range. So we clarified these 2 points. These are the two peoples. One is of Sheena Bora, which has been conclusively beyond doubt, has been established by the DNA report. DNA report was such a conclusive that it cannot be doubted all over the world. Hence, the she is alive or dead many times come in media.
But that's only for one. That is only for one
don't
set.
Understand that this has never been clarified. So, there were two sets. One set belonging to Sheena Bora, and there was a confusion of the age. She was at the time of death, she was of 23-year-old. So the range of the age were given by JJ Hospital was 18 to 25. So this was again a confusion. So we have applied, there is a methodology of Suchi block methodology we say, or Tanner-White methods of the European methods. So we have applied these two advanced methods, and conclusively we have given the age is 23. So a skeleton, one minute I will clarify you. So a skeleton belongs to Sheena Bora, number one, because of the resemblance of the body structure, age, as well as DNA. And there was another important questions which couldn't be answered by JJ Hospital was that what is the cause of death? So by examining a skeletal bones, here you will find an interesting thing. A human body has 206 bones. In this case, around
Dr. Sudhir Gupta, you're making important points, but would you allow me a few minutes, because I've stayed with you for a very long time, Dr. Sudhir Gupta. I'm also being